In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search in a Telegram channel quickly and easily so you can find messages, links, files, or keywords without scrolling through endless posts. This is a simple but powerful feature, especially if you're part of large channels where important information can get buried fast. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful Telegram tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your phone or desktop and go to the channel you want to search in. Once you're inside the channel, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the magnifying glass icon. This is the search tool for that specific channel, and it lets you search only within that channel's messages. Now type the word, phrase, or topic you want to find. You can search for a keyword, a link, a date, a file name, or even a specific message topic. As you type, Telegram will start showing matching results. These results will appear on the left side, so you can scan through them and quickly spot the one you need. When you find the correct result, simply click it and Telegram will jump straight to that message in the channel. This makes it much easier to locate old posts, important updates, or shared resources without wasting time manually scrolling. If the channel has a lot of content, this search feature can save you a huge amount of time and make navigation much smoother. And that's how to search in a Telegram channel in just a few simple steps. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.